Hello, hi, this is Peng Fei. Today I'm going to show you how to duplicate the admin page or maybe the entire page from other website or some website that you think is fancy and could have a higher admin rate. And again, this is not the primary tool for the PowerLead system. It's just something I discovered and is useful. And this skill requires some HTML understanding as well. I'll make this video short but get to the point. So here, let's start. First, you go to your PowerLead system and you will see your panel over there. And the website we try to duplicate is this one. This is just a website, and I believe it's created by the ClickFunnels. And basically, it's gonna take you some style sheet and HTML coding to get this type of the form. And the good news for the PowerLead system allow you to copy the HTML and style sheet into the PowerLead system. So that's just copy the entire the code. Just right click the mouse button on the page you want to duplicate and you choose the view page source. And once you click the view page source, you're gonna see the HTML code, HTML, and you have something body here, and you have something the form starting here. Basically, that's very standard HTML code with HTML with body and form. You're gonna do is Control A to copy, to select everything, and Control C to copy, or right click the mouse button, choose copy to copy, and then go to your PowerLead system. Now you're gonna create the capture page, create a complete page, or just go to website and choose web page and create the new web page. Either way, and you will see this page. And now you're gonna choose create a blank template, not the custom but blank. In the blank template, you're gonna see, all the different options. You just make sure you have this one create under your subdomain. Maybe this called test in one, and then you're gonna have you are direct to your basically your page. But in our scenario, it doesn't apply because we're gonna change this anyway. So you don't have to enter anything. By default, even it is fine because we're gonna manual coding in the HTML. But let's just look at the website we try to duplicate and see what's the next page. And then you can actually see the next page is it looks like is an Aweber system and requires some of the make sure you are not robot, and then they were connecting to a thank you and then redirecting to a digital attitude. So you can see this is actually an admin page redirect to the digital attitude, which is a sales page. So once you understand the flow, you can change that. How do you change that? Let me actually pause this, okay? Then go to a PowerLead system, and you just continue, click to the next page. And don't worry about the background because we're gonna using HTML. So just go to directly submit or just go click the edit text. And don't worry about this one, you can delete them, just go to the source. In the source, highlight everything by Control A and Control V, or right click the mouse button, choose paste. They are the same, paste the code. Once you do that, you can just save and you can preview. How do you preview that? Just go to the next page and preview. You will see this page on a test-in1.pengfei.net, and this is the original website. And this is let me just go back to the previous one. This is the original website and admin page, and this is the admin page we create. Okay, so it looks pretty much identical. Yeah, it is identical. Well, you will see the Facebook. This is actually set up in the PowerLead system. You can set up PowerLead system to have display the Facebook For example, you want people click there, go to your YouTube or go to your Facebook page. You can feel free to do that. It's optional. And you can read the Powerly System manual, know how to do that. But today's video is focused on this, but we haven't done it yet. Why? Because you go to this test up in PongFei.net and you type just any email over there. What you're gonna see is a same sequence, which is mean that you're just going to promote the same promote the product for other people, same product. So this is actually, well, I was typing something invalid address, which is a record. They will say it's not valid. If you type in some other address, paulfeinet@gmail.com. Okay, that's my email. Okay, they were saving to the somebody's admin page, the database, and you will do the same thing, and you will connecting to the sales page, and then you will go into this sales page, which is a digital attitude sales page. Okay, so you can see that that's how it works. So I need to modify the HTML code to change this. So how do I modify the HTML code? So here is how you do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So this is what you're gonna do. Go to the edit text or just go back to the edit this web page and click the source. In the source, look at the place that show you the form. Okay, and you will see the body and you will see the form. Okay, you just see some form. Sometimes it's very hard to see in the small screen. You can always copy paste if you have HTML editor. I do. Okay, but I just want to show you that you can do that without that as well. So you can see this form and action. All right, form action is mean somebody click the submit or click give me the access. And what is the next page? Okay, so it looks like but make sure you have the right form, because I want to have action to a thank you page. So that is not the right form. Body, and I'm going to see search FORM. Okay, if you cannot see that, let me show you. Okay, search FORM, and I'm going to search. Okay, so this is one. Let me see the next one. Okay, this is another one. Let me see. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so this is 2, 1. All right, so this first line, just go to there. Action equal to. Okay, all right, and what's the rest of the code here? Display. Okay, name. Okay, here you need to change. This is somebody's Aweber email list ID. Okay, you can change to your own list ID. For my list ID, I actually is using the okay, this is my okay, Aweber. All right, and go to well, once you have a current list, just choose a list option, list the setting, and they will show you this is your list ID. Okay, all right, so you just copy list ID, go back here and paste to over there. Okay, they should have 2 places if you see 2 form. Okay, let's just go find another list ID. Okay, AWS. Let's find this ID for AWS. Okay, this is another list ID. Okay, change to mine is 24317. Mine is 11194. Okay. All right. So the phone was saving to your email address. That's why you want to have Aweber, because lots of people using Aweber. You can just Aweber, you can just provide in the Aweber email ID, and they will save all the email to there. But you also want to change the reader, because you might be want the phone, but you don't want to promote the same business. You don't want to promote DigitalOcean. You want to promote, say, for example, the Powerly system. And so you need to find that. So it's very easy to find. It just sometimes you just need to take a little bit time, because you need to find the link. Go to the thank you page which you saw before, and it's much easier using the HTML editor, but no, I just want to show you that you can do that without that as well. So here is the place value. Okay, so this is a thank you page. How do I know? Because thank you, right? And this is value form value. Okay, so I'm gonna actually creating my own thank you page. As a matter of fact, I'm going to directly redirect to the Powerly system. So let me just go to my Powerly system. Powerly system. This is a Powerly system capture page. If you have Powerly system, the sales page will be better, but I just put that just for this demonstration. Okay, so this one I just get that one. This is something I just replace. Value. Okay, do they have more value? Okay, just replace all the value to your value over there. Alright, so I just paste. Okay, you can see here. Alright, because I found two forms. If you have two forms, just make sure you replace all the form. Okay, so this is the first one, second one, or second form action. Because there's one form for hidden, one form to display. But this is all HTML stuff. You know, if you're interested, you can check the HTML tutorial. But I just want to find the form, input, then the value. Okay, this is, oh, I did that already. Alright, let me just go here. Because I did that line already. Let's go this line to see. Line. And this line, and okay, here, okay, value find. Okay, this is the first one actually. Highlight and paste. Okay, let's go to the next page. So I just return one character. Okay, so you can see here. And next one, all right, value here, highlight and paste. Okay, just backspace again, just return one character. Alright, 3Z, okay, make sure that is correct. Okay, 3Z, okay, that's correct, that's N. Then just save that. Now you have your own, you just modify the phone to actually become yours. So you save already, go to preview, and just test it, and view this page. Okay, let's just test it. Okay, I just put the same email. And this time it's going to save into my Aweber email, submitting, and he should go to a Powerly system. Yes, now it go to a Powerly system, and it's much so faster because I don't have to redirect to a thank you page. The reason people sometimes thank you page redirect because it's something for tracking purpose. They want to tracking all the funnel, and I will just make it directly to the Powerly system without thank you page. Or you can actually create a thank you page. In that thank you page, you can set up redirect. That's doable. So this is actually what I do. Alright, so again, thank you so much for watching. This is how you duplicate some of the admin page that you see over there, and you can actually duplicate that in the Powerly system. Thank you for watching. You have a very blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.